This is the GE 10,000 BTU Portable Window AC. I just purchased this off of Amazon. It's really nice. It comes with this remote. You can turn it on with that. You can change the different modes, temperature, fan speed. You can set a timer. Really not too sure what swing does. We'll figure that out later. It was super easy to install. It says you need 2 people to install it, and it takes about an hour. I did this in about 20 minutes. So to install it, there's a little tube here that you just rotate clockwise, and really then you just need to install the window piece. So from there, I took out my screen and I just installed this window piece, and then you just clip the tube in there. For the outside, it comes with this foam stuff that you can kind of put all the way around to seal the window in so you don't get any bugs. Now we're just going to turn it on. I'm going to show you guys how loud it is. I find it really slick how this part over here opens up when you turn it on. So we'll just power it on. Pretty cool. So you gotta wait a few seconds, it'll turn on. And here we go. A lot of people complain in the comments that the window AC units are loud, like really on all of them. I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty loud, especially if you have it on the highest setting. But when it's like 35 degrees Celsius in your apartment, I'm guessing that's closer to 100 degrees in Fahrenheit. Having something like this cool the entire living room down in about 10 minutes, especially if you're cooking when it's that hot. Like, this thing has been a lifesaver for just 400 Canadian dollars here in Canada. It's probably about 300 US dollars if you're in the States. Definitely recommend buying one of these in this heat wave that we're having right now. You're gonna enjoy it.